In today's competitive job market, showcasing your technical skills on your resume is crucial. But how do you effectively present them? First, identify the technical skills relevant to the job you're applying for. Use them to tailor your resume to match the job description. Next, categorize your skills. List them under a dedicated section, like Technical Skills, for easy visibility. Add technical skills throughout your resume, such as in your professional summary and work experience. Use examples to give context. For instance, instead of just listing perform data analysis, mention the trends and patterns uncovered and the outcome your findings led to. Remember, your technical skills can set you apart. Keep them relevant, detailed, and tailored for every application.